talk about intersections. Whoa, hold up. We all can't talk about this at the same time. Yeah, I guess we'll have to take turns. Agreed, so who's going first? No, I was over here. I was here first. You know I was waiting right over here. You saw me over there. You know that was... This is going to be our first video in a 3-part series about navigating intersections. There is a lot to look for, and depending on the maneuver, there will be specific things to look out for. First, we're covering right turns. Whether you've got the green light or just stopped at the red, right turns tend to be quick, but they are definitely the sharpest turns you're going to make. Typically at 90 degrees, you need to make sure your timing is appropriate for when to begin the turn so you don't end up running over the sidewalk. First, when you approach the intersection, identify your traffic controls to see whether or not you need to make a stop. If you are required to, easy. Take the stop, investigate your surroundings before proceeding. If you don't have to stop, you're going to need to look for more hazards quickly as you move through the intersection at a controlled speed. Here's what to look for. First, any pedestrians that may be crossing the crosswalk on the street you're currently on. Second, before making the turn, make sure the intersection is clear of other vehicles crossing into or turning onto the street that you're about to enter. Third, make sure that the crosswalk on the new roadway is free and clear of pedestrians. Fourth, pick up your speed so you can continue to move with the flow of traffic, and you're done! All of these spaces are ripe for a potential hazard though, so you need to predict what may arrive at that intersection before, during, and after your turn. Things can change quickly at intersections, so you need to decide on what to do well in advance, so you can execute that maneuver as quickly as possible. Coming to a complete stop at a stop sign or red light prior to turning gives you the time that you really need to thoroughly search through the intersection before moving. Start with these types of turns when you're first learning. Then, when you're comfortable, move on to right turns that don't require you to stop, like turning off a main road onto a neighborhood, or hopefully catching a right turn at that green light. You'll need to get lots of practice looking at these types of problem spots quickly when you have to keep moving. We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Safety Sessions. So, to see more videos like this, click on subscribe to stay up to date on all the safe driving related content we will be putting out. And while you're at it, click on that bell icon to get notifications of when we do post a new video. To learn more about DriveSafe Driving Schools, visit www.drivesafecolorado.com or give us a call at 303-721-8881. We'll see you next time, but until then, always remember to drive safe. Did you click on subscribe yet? No? What are you waiting for? Look at all these videos. Look at all these.